folks, we out here in Bessemer, Alabama, not too far from Adger, Alabama, fairly rural area. On my way out here, I didn't see anything but trees, couple of houses, and the houses I did see had satellite internet and satellite television. So fairly rural area, fairly rural. Elevation out here is 551 feet, and I'm going to be testing out 2 indoor TV antennas. Alright folks, I got the zip code entered, and I'm going to be using my AverMedia USB TV tuner for laptops and desktops. So we're right here at the DTV Gov/Maps website, and it's looking pretty good for this area. As you can see, all of the channels are within that 60 and 80 mile range. So we go over here, the green we're likely to receive, the yellow is 50-50, the red is challenging to receive, and the grayed out areas is a don't even try. So let's go ahead and open up the AverMedia. Alright, so what we're going to do here is run the auto scan and see how many channels we pick up. Alright folks, so it looks like we was able to pick up 30 channels. Oh, even some channels I don't even get at my place, channel 58. That one signal was kind of low. And I'm just running these tests. I want to see how accurate these websites are. But you know, with over-the-air television, it's kind of iffy anyway. You got a lot of variables in there. You got trees, mountains, your elevation, your distance. So it's a lot of variables when it comes to digital television. So let's run a scan with the 80 mile range antenna. Alright folks, so there you have it. With the, now this is interesting, with the 80 mile you must have antenna, I only picked up 26 channels. And with the Clear TV antenna, which is a smaller antenna, mind you, I was able to pick up 30 channels.